It was a gray Saturday afternoon. The sky was full of dark clouds. The family had a small brown dog. His name was Biscuit. Biscuit was part of the family. He slept on Lucas's bed every night. He waited by the door every morning. And more than anything in the world, he loved to go for walks.
Please, can we take Biscuit for a walk now? Oh, sweetie, it's raining so hard outside.
The rain hasn't arrived yet. How about a short walk together?
Yes, I'll hold Biscuit's leash. He always listens to me.
The street was quiet and calm. A few yellow leaves were falling from the trees. The wind was cold, but it felt fresh and nice. Biscuit walked in front of everyone.
Biscuit loves this walk so much.
Yes, he does. This park is his favorite place in the whole world.
They walked into the park. There was a small blue lake in the middle of it. An old man was sitting on a wooden bench near the water. He was throwing bread to the ducks. He smiled warmly at the family as they passed.
Good afternoon. Your little dog looks very happy today.
Good afternoon. Yes, he loves his afternoon walks.
Be careful. I heard on the radio a big storm is coming this evening.
Thank you so much for feeding the ducks.
My pleasure. Enjoy your walk.
We won't stay out very long. Cute dog. Easy, Biscuit.
It is okay, do not be scared. I am right here with you.
Biscuit ran. He ran very, very fast across the park. He ran past the blue lake. And then he ran straight out of the park gate and into the busy streets of the town.
Biscuit, no, stop! Come back!
Biscuit, no, please come back, Biscuit!
Biscuit, come back!
Biscuit, please!
Whole family ran to save the Biscuit. Biscuit is very important to the family. Daniel ran down the main road as fast as he could. Cars passed him quickly, their bright lights shining in the gray rain. Their wheels splashed water onto the path.
Biscuit! Biscuit! Have you seen my dog?
No, I haven't.
Excuse me, please. We have lost our dog. He is small and brown. Have you seen him anywhere? Oh no, I am so sorry. I have not seen him, but I will watch carefully for you. What is your dog's name? His name is Biscuit. Please help us find him.
Please help me! My dog is lost! A small brown dog! Has anyone seen it? Please, someone, help me find him! You! Oh, you're not Biscuit.
Daniel, you look soaked. Is everything all right?
I'm fine, but we lost Biscuit in the storm.
Oh no, your little brown dog?
Yes, we got separated. I'm so worried.
You're soaked, Daniel. It'll be all right.
Thank you. I feel hope again.
Shh, it's okay, Mia. I'm here. I can't see anything. We'll find them, I promise. I'm scared. I know, stay close. It is all my fault. I let go of the leash. I should have held it tighter. I should have been more careful. Please excuse me. Did any of you see a small brown dog? He is lost, and I have to find him.
A small brown dog he ran down toward the river him.
Thank you so much.
Hey, young man. You should not be running alone in this storm. Are you okay?
I am looking for my dog. He is lost. He ran toward the river.
The river? Be very careful there. The water is high today. Here, take my umbrella. You are soaking wet.
Thank you, but I cannot stop. I have to find him. He is scared and alone.
I understand. Good luck, brave boy. I hope you find him.
Lucas knew the river was a dangerous place, especially today. The water was high and fast because of all the rain. Lucas was more worried now than ever before.
Emma, is there any sign of him?
No, nothing yet. We are near the houses on Green Street. Daniel, Mia is very, very upset. We have to find him.
Stay strong, Emma. Listen to me. A dog who is scared will try to hide somewhere small and safe. Think hard. Where does Biscuit like to go? Where does he feel safe?
Wait, Daniel, the river! Biscuit always pulls toward the river when we walk.
You are right, Emma. That is it. Lucas ran that way. Everyone go to the river now. Go to the old bridge.
Biscuit! 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 Biscuit!
Lucas heard something. It was a small sound. A soft, sad little cry. Lucas stopped moving completely. The sound was coming from behind some big rocks, right near the edge of the water. Lucas followed the sound and found Biscuit.
Hello? Is someone there?
You found us! We're under the bridge! Biscuit's with me! He's okay! We're coming home! Thank you!
You found him? Oh, thank goodness! Thank goodness! Stay right where you are, son. Do not move. We are all coming to you right now.
Lucas it! He's all warm, Mia!
What a run!
Biscuit, you are safe! I was so scared, Biscuit! Oh, my sweet little Biscuit, come here. We were all so worried about you.
Lucas, you did a truly wonderful thing today, son.
But Dad, it was my fault. I let go of the leash. I am so sorry.
This whole thing happened because of me.
Do you really mean that, Dad?
I really do. And look at Biscuit, he is not angry with you at all.
The family walked home slowly through the rain. But somehow, the cold did not feel so bad anymore.
I made us some warm soup.
We'll wrap you up, Biscuit. He's falling asleep.
He's safe and warm now.
Today was a very scary day.
Yes, it was, sweetheart. It was very scary now. We are all home and we are all safe. I never knew how much I loved Biscuit until today, until I almost lost him.
That is a very important thing to understand, son. Sometimes we do not see how much something means to us.
Not until it is gone, even just for a short moment. Biscuit is half our family.
But he is a very, very important part.
I am never going to let go again, boy. I promise you that.
They were all together, and Biscuit was safe. And that was the only thing in the world that mattered.
Please subscribe and like our video.
Yes, we'd love your support. Please subscribe and like the video.